I think sobrang ganda is an exaggeration. Napanood ko siya New Year's Eve. Kaya no, I won't deny it has good points, but mostly bad points. It has irrational, unjustifiable acts. Two, there are corny lines. Yung mga action scenes parang school play project. Some script lines does not support what is being said. Last of the bad points, there is a scene in the movie that I think is very critical. It went in a what? Questionable way. Here are the good points. Yung kanyang plot is okay. Costumes, props, outfits are amazing. The acting of Sir Big Soto, Pelo Pascual ay ang galing. At si Sue Ramirez, Christine Reyes, and the rest. And the last good point, nagka-award siya ng second best picture because of its visual effects. All in all, for me, this movie's rating is 5.5 out of 10.